Hi everyone, I'm meteorologist John Dissauer. Thanks for checking out my blog, New at Dissauer. It is Wednesday, March 23rd, just before 1 o'clock. We've got a severe, or I should say a tornado watch. It's in effect for parts of western Kentucky. That does include Murray and Benton, Kentucky, as well as Calvert City, and points eastward. This is in effect until 8 p.m. Central Time this evening. Right now we've got temperatures in the lower 70s across western Kentucky. The rest of the area not so much under the threat for severe weather, although even in southeastern Illinois there could be a couple storms popping up this afternoon. Radar imagery showing you we've got some storms up to our northeast, northeast of Evansville, heading up towards, let's say, Spencer, Indiana, up towards Bloomington and pushing eastward, heading towards Seymour, Indiana, and towards Paoli, Indiana. The moisture across southern Illinois not reaching the ground just yet. That's more associated with some of the clouds, I believe. Satellite imagery showing you lots of sunshine so far today, but you can see a little line that's developed. This line is the cold front as it's pushing through the area, and what a cold front does oftentimes is it helps lift this air, and as it lifts it begins to condense, and that's when you get thunderstorms, and it's moving into an environment that is ripe for some severe thunderstorm development. I'll widen the view out here and you'll get an idea of where this front is actually at. And in fact, I think I can draw on it. We've got brand new updates here with our graphics, and I got to see if this will let me draw on here or not. And it should let me. So let's go ahead and I'll show you where the area that's most concerned by the Storm Prediction Center is going to be generally out into this area across Kentucky. Now that being said, there's an instability bullseye that is across parts of, I'm pausing here because I got to find, they moved all my buttons around for telestrating. There is an instability bullseye in western Kentucky that runs somewhere along, well, that's not a good drawing. Let's try this again. Down along here. That's the instability bullseye. So as this cold front interacts with it, if we get any thunderstorm development, they could go up pretty quickly in this area. I'm not expecting a whole lot of severe weather in the KFUS viewing area. If we got any storms, I think they would quickly move eastward and move out of the area. So we'd get storms moving out, not that quickly, but it would be moving eastward. So it shouldn't be too much of an issue for the local viewing area, but something still to keep an eye on. We'll just have to wait and see if any of these storms actually do develop. Thanks for checking out the blog. Sorry it's been a while since I've updated. I've been doing some traveling and had some family issues I had to step away from the work to deal with, and I'm back in town now, so I'm able to update a little bit more often. And during the springtime, I'll be updating as we get storms developing and there's anything interesting weather-wise to talk about. That is the latest from here, and hopefully I'll be able to get these new tools figured out because they moved all of my buttons down to the bottom of the screen instead of having them up at the top of the screen for drawing. And it's going to take me a little while to get used to that because I had just gotten used to the other way the page was laid out here on the computer screen. So that's the latest. I hope you have a great afternoon, and I will talk to you later.